everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an accessory that promises to breathe new life into a beloved pair of headphones, the Damex Earpads replacement for Beats Solo 4 wireless Bluetooth on-ear headphones. For anyone who owns the Solo 4, this is a crucial upgrade to consider, especially since these earpads are exclusively designed for that specific model, ensuring a perfect fit and performance that simply won't work with any other solo or studio versions. One of the first things that stands out about these Damex earpads is their commitment to luxury and comfort. They feature a slow rebound memory foam lining, which is a game changer for extended listening sessions. This isn't just any foam. It's engineered for breathability and a plush feel that truly makes one forget they're even wearing headphones. Paired with the high-quality protein leather, the earpads offer a soft, supple touch against the skin, elevating the overall tactile experience. Damex has also paid close attention to the ergonomics, specifically by adding thickness to the earpads. While the original Solo 4 earpads come in at 18, Damex has thoughtfully increased this to 20. This seemingly small adjustment makes a significant difference in comfort, providing extra cushioning and potentially a better seal around the ears, which can enhance sound isolation and overall audio immersion. It's a subtle but impactful change aimed at improving the wearing experience for users. The thought of replacing earpads might seem daunting to some, but Damex has made the process remarkably straightforward. They provide a product installation video that guides users step by step. This means that with a little patience and following the instructions, anyone can easily make their Beats Solo 4 headphones look and feel brand new, without needing professional help. And let's not forget the aesthetic appeal. These particular earpads come in a vibrant pink color, offering a fresh and stylish look that can personalize one's headphones. It's a great way to add a pop of color, or simply refresh the appearance of a well-loved pair. Damex's vision for these earpads is clear: to provide more ergonomic, ultimate listening experiences. This isn't just about replacing worn-out parts. It's about enhancing the original design with superior materials and thoughtful improvements. For Beats Solo 4 owners looking to restore comfort, improve their listening experience, or simply give their headphones a stylish refresh, the Damex replacement earpads present a compelling option. They offer a blend of luxury, enhanced comfort, and easy installation, all designed to make those Solo 4s feel brand new again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.